Here are 3 tips to manifest your dream life. Dream work essentially means working with your dreams to solve your problems, improve situations in your waking life, and be more connected to the flow of your life. My name is Machiel Klerk, I'm a psychotherapist and dream expert, and here are 3 tips to help you work with your dreams to manifest your dream life. Tip number 1 is listen to your dreams and engage with them. Because dreams love to help you, and when you befriend them, they help you even more. Our dreams want us to realize our potential. They help us with our wounds and problems and support us to give our talents to the world. Very often our dreams reveal to us our habitual patterns in which we are stuck. And then they will show characters or energies or states of consciousness that are beneficial for the stuckness we have. Dreams provide breakthroughs. And these breakthroughs can have to do with your challenges, with healing, and with being more creative. For instance, you might be going through a period of depression or grief and not yet fully engaged with it in the waking world. Then you could have a dream in which you are in a dark forest that's a bit scary to go into, but you have to travel through it to get to the light. And dreams always do that. They bring energies and qualities to us to help us move along. Tip number 2 is bring your dream energies into the real world. If you want to step out of your comfort zone, look to your dreams. Often when we are feeling stuck, we will have figures show up in our dreams that contain energies or qualities that we need. For example, there was a client recently who was stuck in his work. He needed to speak up to his boss and he found that incredibly scary. So one night he had a dream in which he came face to face with a pit bull. The pit bull was growling at him and he was protecting his neck. And then on waking, he immediately thought, oh yeah, that's the same feeling I have when I think about confronting my boss. It's terribly scary. So that is a diagnostic dream, because for this person, confronting the boss is like coming face to face with a pit bull. And this is also a dream we could work with. Instead of focusing on the fear, he could instead try and embody the energy of pit bull. We went back in the dream, he looked at the pit bull and he started describing pit bull and then said, oh, I can feel the aggressiveness in my jaws. I can feel the strength in my shoulders. I can feel the confidence of pit bull. So that is really helpful energy to bring into your life. And that is what he absorbed from the dream. When he went to confront his boss, he both felt back into that feeling and he imagined Pitbull walking with him into the meeting with his boss. And so he was much better prepared to have this confrontation, and he reported afterwards, it was unbelievable. I felt so much more confident going in with Pitbull and with this new energy. I love that my dreams help me. Here is tip number 3. Ask your dreams for help. Dreams love to help us. They try to help and educate. Our soul wants to realize its own potential. So ask the dream a thoughtful question, not something like, how can I earn $1 million? But something more thoughtful as, dream, how can I get a promotion at work? Or dream, how can I be more healthy? Or dream, what is one way to love myself more deeply? And it's actually really simple. What you want to do is the following. Create a small dream routine. Set an intention. That's your question. Light a candle. Mist the pillow spray and ask the question out loud. Write down the question and put that question under your pillow. After you've done that, you go to bed, you sleep, hopefully dream, and then you wake up and make sure, like always, write down the dream upon waking, because otherwise they evaporate. This is a technique that comes back through many traditions all around the world, and also at Harvard University they've done a study that signified that this technique really works. So you can do that too. And what if you don't have a dream? Well, don't worry, dreams love to help, so you just ask it again. And just try 2-3 nights in a row, and then most of the time you get an answer, But if you don't get an answer, sometimes it helps to change the question a little bit, and then you try the whole thing again. Then you will get a dream answer that will help you to live a more fulfilling life. Curious about your dreams? The link below takes you to our Unlock Your Dreams Masterclass with tips, tricks and advice to make the most of your dreaming.